How to use wood ash on plants the right way. Did you know the ash from burning wood can actually help your plants grow? When used correctly, wood ash is a natural way to improve soil and support healthy plants. Wood ash comes from clean, untreated wood. It contains potassium and calcium, which help plants with flowering, fruiting, and strong root development. Before using it, make sure the ash is completely cool, dry, and finely crushed. Never use ash from charcoal, coal, or painted wood. Apply only a small amount. Lightly sprinkle the ash on the soil, keeping it away from the plant stem. Too much wood ash can damage plants and make the soil too alkaline. Gently mix the ash into the top layer of soil and water the area well. This helps the nutrients soak into the soil. Wood ash works well for tomatoes, peppers, onions, garlic, roses, and fruit trees. Avoid using it on plants that prefer acidic soil, such as blueberries and azaleas. Use wood ash only once a year, ideally in early spring or after harvest. When used carefully, wood ash is a simple and natural way to support plant growth.